Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm here at Plaza Mabini, located at Batangas City. Ito yung setup ng plaza namin dito sa Batangas. But guys, trivia of the day, I have something to show you. This is Black Nape Oriole. May scientific name na Oriolus chinensis. The Black Nape Oriole is a passerine bird in the Oriole family that is found in many parts of Asia. There are several distinctive populations within the wide distribution range of this species. In the past, the slender bird oriole was included as subspecies. So, ang tawag namin sa lugar na to is Kilyawan. Sa inyo, ano bang tawag sa ibon na to? So, another knowledge na nating natutunan. Pag tayo naghihikap-hikap guys, ayan. Yun lang.